Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to run a Super Mario gaming application on EC2 instance using Docker. Alright, so I have already created an EC2 instance in the previous video. So now we are just going to connect it and set up the Docker and run a container. Right. So first we should sign in our AWS account. Once I sign in, go to the EC2 dashboard page and click instance. Right. So I have already created a instance. So that is demo, and yes, we are going to connect it. So once click it, connect and scroll down and also click connect. Okay. Once we are inside the container, we are going to update our system and install the Docker. Okay, so just give this command sudo apt update. Okay. So this commands tells update the system. Okay, so after that we are going to install a Docker. Without Docker we couldn't able to run a container, right? So sudo apt install docker.io. So already I have a Docker package in my server. So if not already installed, using this command you can install the Docker package, right? So after that you can check the version of Docker to confirm it's working or not. So docker -- version. So it will show the version of your Docker project or package, right? So once install the Docker, the step 3 is run a Super Mario web application using Docker. Okay, so now we are going to use a public Docker image called Penguin Docker Super Mario. Okay, so this image runs a Mario game inside the small web server. It shows in your browser. Okay, so I'm giving the command sudo docker run -d and -p. So right, and 8080. So and the image name penguin /docker and Super Mario. So it's a gaming application. So let me explain this command what actually do. Okay, so -d means it's a detached mode. It's run in the background. Okay, so this -p is a port number. So this port means we are mapping a port 8080 inside the container to the port 8600 on the EC2 instance. Okay, so and the Penguin Docker -Super Mario is a image name, Docker image name that runs the game. Okay, so I give the enter. So when we run the Docker command, it pulls the image from the Docker hub and runs it here on your EC2 instance. So Docker hub is like a kind of the app store. Okay, so it stores the container image. We called a registry. Okay, so it's pulling the Docker image from the Docker hub. Yeah. So once the container is running, now to check the container status, so sudo docker ps So now our container is running, right? So to check the container status if running or not, we use this command sudo docker ps. So the container is running, right? So now we can access in our browser. Okay, so before we open it our browser, we need to allow the specific port number in the EC2 instance. Okay, if we didn't allow the specific port number, we couldn't able to access in the browser. Let me show it. So go to the our instance. So click on copy this public IP address and access it, like just copy and paste it, and your port number is 8600, right? So see, it's loading actually. See, we couldn't able to access it, right? Because before we open it in the browser, we need to allow the port for specific 8600 port number need to allow in the EC2 instance. Okay, so go to the AWS dashboard page and click instance. So this is the EC2 dashboard page, and select your instance on this checkbox. So scroll it down. See, you will see the securities group, right? So click securities and scroll it down. So you have seen inbound rules, right? So scroll it down. So click on it, the securities group. You should add the port number, specific port number which we gave in 8600. Okay, so just click on this edit inbound rules. We are going to add that port number. Okay, so add rule. So custom TCP is the default one, and we are going to give that port number 800. So it's allowing incoming traffic. Once you edit this inbound rules, click on save the rules. Right? So again, go to the EC2 instance and refresh it. After that, click on your instance, copy this public IP address and copy it, and now give the port number 8600. So see, now we can able to see this application, gaming application. Just press enter and you can start playing with this. So your application is running as a container. Okay, so that's it. So Super Mario running in your browser, like it's hosted on AWS. Okay, it's using a Docker. Why we using a container concept? Docker means it's a lightweight, right? And actually it's a small web application running inside the container, right? Because it's a lightweight one. So it's a simple one, right? So that's it. Thank you all.